just a short video showing my way of putting the batteries in the Parrot Disco to get the more battery power. Two normal Parrot Disco batteries, but mounted the other way on, which on the batteries is 3.1 amp, 3100 milliamp hour, so that should give us, with the paralleling them up, it should give over 6000 milliamp hour. And I did a 5-minute video, and you can actually see, if it's in focus, the batteries are still at 95%, which is, in my opinion, pretty darn good. End of video. It flew well and all. There were no glitches or anything like that. And I've also, when I took it off, I flew it for just under 5 minutes, and I've done a video of it so you can see the video. I just put it into auto rotate at about 70 meters altitude. So, like I say, it flew quite well. I was pleased with it.